जय श्रीमन्नारायण. श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता सेकंड चैप्टर सांख्ययोगम 68th श्लोक. गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा गिविंग हिज टीचिंग्स टू ईच एंड एवरी वन ऑफ अस along with Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Oh Arjuna, it is very hard for you to control your mind. That is why you give the complete custody of your mind to me. You put all your responsibility on me. I am the one definitely will help you attain your goal." Now what you need to do is you start controlling your senses from going towards all kind of sensory objects, mundane things. If you continue doing that sadhana by giving the controlling of your mind to me, you will definitely attain your goal, and the Atma Dhyanam will be stable in your mind. That is how you will be Sthita Prajna. Like this, Krishna Paramatma giving us a way to attain our goal. While having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, let us now repeat Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Tasmadyasya mahabaho nigruhitani sarvasaha indriyani इंद्रियार्थेभ्यः तस्य प्रज्ञा प्रतिष्ठिता. Om. As an essence of the entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, "Always think about me. Keep on inculcating love and devotion towards me. Do all your activities as my service. Keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Do not cry. Ma Suchaha. Keep remembering my teachings every day through at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading my teachings among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins." Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. "Oh Srimannarayana, I shall keep on thinking about you. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall keep on inculcating love and devotion towards you. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall keep doing all my activities as your service. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall keep remembering the fact that I am your belonging. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall keep remembering your teachings through at least one Gita sloka every day. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall keep spreading your teachings among all the devotees. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. करिष्ये वचनं तव." श्रीमद्भागवतं. नमस्कारं टु श्रीमद्भागवतं. निगमकल्पतरोर्गलितं फलं सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टु श्री सुखमहर्षि. यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवो विनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. Namaskaram to Srimanarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi, Narayanam Namaskritya, Naranchaiva Narottamam, Devim Saraswatim Vyasam, Tato Jayam Udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam Pradhamaskandham, Suta Maharshi is saying to Saunaka and other Maharshis, O Maharshis, Parikshittu asking for water. But Semika Muni did not respond to Parikshittu because that Muni is not at all in the external world. He is completely drowned in his meditation. Because of that Muni did not see Parikshittu, that Muni did not hear Parikshittu's words. That is why that Muni did not offer any Simhasanam Asanam to Parikshit Narendra. That is why that Muni did not even ask, "Oh Raja, how are you?" That is why, because of his meditation, that Muni did not even welcome that King Parikshit Narendra. Because of his meditation, that Muni did not offer any water and any kind of services to Raja. Because that Muni did not do any kind of services like this, King got so much anger. Parikshittu got an amount of anger which he did never got in his previous life. He started thinking that Kannulu Moosi Brahmanudu Garvamutodu Tanunnavadu Che Sannalanaina Rammanadu Sarajalambulu Techipoyadu. He is not even asking me, "How are you doing?" He is not even offering me any water. That is so much big insult to me. This Muni did insulted me. With that kind of anger, that Parikshit Narendra immediately felt doing some kind of retaliation upon Muni, and that Parikshit Narendra picked up a dead serpent with his own bow, with the tip end of bow. He picked up that dead serpent and put that serpent on this Brahmarshi, and he left. Again, this Parikshit Narendra started thinking that Esha Kim Nibhruta Asesha. Is it real that this Muni is in his meditation, or he is just pretending? Esha Kim Milita Ikshanaha Mrusha. Is it real that this Muni is closing his eyes, or just pretending? Is it something that Muni probably thinking, what these kings can do to us with that kind of negligence? Is that the reason this Muni neglected me, insulted me? Having all this kind of questions in Parikshit Narendra, put this serpent on that Brahmarshi to understand whether he is pretending or it is real samadhi that Muni is in. He just put that serpent and left from there. But this Muni did not get moved at all even after that serpent thing is left on him. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Diviva Bhuviva Mamastu Vaso Narakeva Narakantaka Prakamam Avadhirita Saradharavindau Charanau te మరణేపి చింతయామి. కృష్ణో రక్షతు నో జగత్రయగురుః కృష్ణం నమస్యామ్యహం. కృష్ణేనామరశత్రవో వినిహతాః కృష్ణాయ తస్మై నమః. కృష్ణాదేవ సముత్థితం జగదిదం కృష్ణస్య దాసోऽస్మ్యహం. కృష్ణే తిష్టతి విశ్వమేతదఖిలం హే కృష్ణ సంరక్ష మాం. శ్రీమద్భగవద్గీత 2nd chapter 68th శ్లోక. తస్మాద్యస్య మహాబాహో నిగృహీతాని సర్వసః ఇంద్రియాణి ఇంద్రియార్థేభ్యః తస్య ప్రజ్ఞా ప్రతిష్ఠితా. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.